morning everyone. Today I wanted to do a what I eat in a day. So it's about 7:30 in the morning, and what I normally start with is a apple cider vinegar drink. So let's go and have that. I like to use the Bragg apple cider vinegar with the mother. I don't measure it, I just pour some out into a glass. I don't really measure it, add a little bit of water and drink it. It could be a bit unpleasant, so wish me luck. So for breakfast, I'm going to be having a couple of eggs with some spinach, and I'm going to top it up with a little bit of avocado as well. I'm going to start off by putting just a little bit of coconut oil. And then I'm going to add the onions in. Add some spinach as well and wait for it to get wilted. Then add some seasoning, followed by the eggs. So this is going to be my breakfast. Scrambled eggs with avocados, which are really good healthy fats. I've been trying to eat less meat, and so I've been trying out these corn meat alternatives, and you just put them in the microwave. And then I'm just going to cut up some vegetables, tomatoes and cucumbers, and save some for the next day. I love buying pre-prepared salads because they're quick and easy and it saves me time. So I'm just going to quickly make this salad and add the cucumber and tomatoes and the chicken to give it a bit of flavour. Looking a bit bland now, but we're going to add some salad cream because we need some flavour in it. I know it's probably not the healthiest, I wish I could rewind, but I'm going to add it anyway. This is my lunch, chicken salad, and I'm having it with a tall glass of water. Got to stay healthy now, haven't we? For dinner, I'm just gonna have some chicken. I seasoned it using some barbecue seasoning, chicken seasoning, ginger and garlic paste, and a little bit of tomato puree, just for the colouring. So I'm just gonna leave this to marinate for about at least 30 minutes. I mean, the longer you can leave it, the better. Just gonna put it in my halogen oven, and I'll probably have this with some vegetables. I'm going to leave it to steam for about 5 minutes until it's cooked. So this is my dinner, chicken with sweet peppers. Oh my god, let's get a zoom in. It looks so good. It looks really, really good. Just simple food, very simple. I'm a simple girl, nothing too complicated. Something you can whip up really, really quickly. And the rest of these chicken that's been left over, I am going to put in a container, and I'll probably have that for tomorrow or the next day. To go along with that, I'm also gonna have water. Oh my god guys, look at this glass. It's like a unicorn. Yeah, it's like unicorns. I got it for 90p in Asda's. And my favourite thing to put is the Nando's peri peri sauce. I love this sauce, love it, because it just adds a bit of spice. Just gonna put a little bit on there. So this is it. This is what I'm having for dinner. Hi guys, I recently tried out the LighterLife diet. I actually enjoy incorporating some of the products in. I love the bars because it feels like I'm having a treat. I'm near enough coming to the end of my fasting period, and so I'm just going to be having one of these bars. This was my what I eat in a day. I hope you enjoyed the video and found some inspiration. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're new and you haven't subscribed, do subscribe for some more videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.